It's important to have sound effects, because when a scene has sound effect, even more sound effect than the reality, we give to the viewer much more emotion, and that's what we want. We want emotion. So sometimes that sound that it's natural from the scene, it's not enough. We need to put a little bit more, we need to emphasize, and so the viewer has more impact. For example, in this scene we don't have the sound of the fabric, but we put it in the edition. We give to the viewer much more atmosphere, much more environment, and much more emotion.